Now we change the rhythm, and we're going to dance for you the Bossa Nova Blues. Now, first of all, I'd like to get Sue to show you this little Bossa Nova action, which is particular to this dance. She's going to start on her right foot and do her back and forward basic hands. 1, 2, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now that was, of course, the basic box action. So we're going to start off with 2 Bossa Nova boxes. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. The boy is now going to do forward locks down the room in side chassis, while the lady turns underneath the arm, making a quarter of a turn each time. The lady gets a locking action on the forward half. Forward, step, cross, forward, side, close, forward, step, cross, forward, side, close. So if we could repeat the beginning from the beginning to there. Our 2 little boxes into the side chassis with the ladies turning. And forward, side, close, back, side, close, forward, side, close, back. Here's the lock step and the side chassis. The lady turning quarter each time. Quick. Now moving down the room, we're going to walk and swivel. Slow, slow, 1, 2, 3. Walk, walk, swivel, 2, 3. Turning the lady to face you at the end of the movement. We do another Bossa Nova box. Forward, side, close, back, side, close. Now for the last 2 bars, we release the hold. Gentleman on the left, lady right. We're going to move diagonally away from the partner, 1 walk and a check, and clap. 1, clap. Now to return to partner, left, lady right, 2 back steps backwards, back, and turn to face partner. We'd like now to put the whole dance together for you. Ready, our boxes, and forward, side, close, back. Repeat it. The little locks with the lady turning out and in, which we repeat. The walks and the swivels, which we repeat. Into the Bossa Nova box. Release and walk 2 away. Clap, back, and there we are.